YouTube, what's going on? Today we got another video on how to get rich with no money. Actually, this one's with no money in 2025 by Logan Ski Finance. Super interested in this one. Let's go ahead and get into it.
This is my unemployment card from 2020 when I went dead broke due to the scamdemic. And this is my current life as a 21-year-old millionaire where I can do whatever I want whenever I want. Like today, my friend and I booked a last-minute trip to New York City simply because we wanted to. And if you desire the same life of traveling around the world, driving supercars, or simply taking care of your family with no stress, you need to watch this video until the end. I'm gonna walk you through every step needed to go from broke to rich for 100% free, and it all starts up here. Becoming rich has always been simple and always will be simple. Most people are just too lazy to do it. They lay on their bed all day eating junk food, lusting the women on a screen, and crying about their horrible life instead of changing it. So if that's you, I don't have sympathy. You're a broke, unhealthy imbecile who put yourself in that situation. But it's never too late to change your life and become healthy and wealthy. I want everyone to succeed, and I know everyone can succeed if they follow the steps in this video. So let's get started. The first step from rags to riches is acquiring a source of income. In most cases, this will and should be a job because jobs are typically more reliable than side hustles and businesses. And if you truly have no money, you'll need the consistent income a job provides to pay your bills and put food on your plate. Second, once you have a source of income that provides for your basic necessities, you need to identify all distractions and eliminate them. This is probably the biggest difference between the poor and the rich because rich people actually make sacrifices to succeed while poor people try to justify their horrible decisions. It's like I say, if you don't sacrifice for what you want becomes the sacrifice. And the first step of eliminating distractions is being honest with yourself. So right now I want you to get out a piece of paper and write down everything you do in a day, like literally everything from when you wake up until you go to sleep. Then organize those activities into these sections. Things that make you money, things that keep you healthy, things that make you smarter, needed tasks like brushing teeth, dishes, etc., and other activities. Then once that's done, erase everything in the other activities because they're useless, and today is the last day you will do them. That means no social media if you're not learning, no video games, no TV, no hanging out with old friends that aren't helping your goals. If an activity doesn't increase your wealth, make you healthier, or educate you, get rid of it. I literally quit being a professional action sports athlete to acquire wealth. And trust me, quitting the most important thing in my life throughout the last 9 years was hard, but it was well worth it. Also, men, this means you need to cut out your #1 kryptonite to achieving success, which is women. If you aren't rich, jacked, and have influence, you don't even deserve a wife. And you especially shouldn't be wasting your time lusting the girls on a screen that don't even know you exist. The third step to wealth is creating a schedule. Because now that you cut out 4 to 8 hours of useless tasks you did every day, you have a lot more time to make money. And although I can't give out an exact schedule to fit everyone's life, everyone's daily routine should include these 3 things. 1, something that keeps you in shape, because wealth without health does not matter. What are you gonna do? Spend all your money on hospital bills and have fun? No! So please allocate a solid hour every day at the gym, running, boxing, or doing something active that will allow you to live long and enjoy the money you earn. 2, you need to become financially literate to become rich, so you should spend another 30 minutes to an hour every day learning how money works. To do this in 2025, I'd recommend watching YouTube videos and reading books from people you want to be like. The better content you consume, the better you will become. 3, on your way to wealth, never lose track of the most important thing in this life, your relationship with Jesus. When I first started making 6 figures a month, I was sadder than ever because I was neglecting time with God so I could increase profits to be more happy. When in reality, money doesn't buy happiness, it only buys solutions to worldly problems. So ensure you're praying and reading the Bible every day because when you seek His kingdom first, everything else will come. Then with the remaining time of your day, you need to focus on step 4, which is starting some side hustles. This is the point where your life will really start to change because every day you're getting smarter, healthier, closer to God, and now you'll also be creating a new source of income so you won't need to work a job anymore. But to get to the point of having your side hustles overtake your job's income, you need to try lots of different side hustles and pick the one you'll give 100% to. And to do that, I'd recommend researching side hustles for a solid 2 to 4 hours a day for 1 week straight. And throughout that week, write down the advantages and disadvantages of each one and if it would make practical sense related to your location and available capital. Then choose your favorite 8 side hustles and start trying each one for a week, back to back to back. This will open your eyes to what you like and don't like doing business-wise, and it'll drastically increase your knowledge while taking you out of your comfort zone. Those 2 months of trial and error will teach you way more than any college ever could. Then once you try all of them, you need to pick the one you like the most and go all out on step 5, grind time. Grind time is when you put your all into the side hustle. And no, that doesn't mean quit your job that keeps you alive. It means that whenever you're not working at the gym or learning, you will be grinding your booty off to become successful at the business you chose. It should be your #1 focus and so prevalent in your mind that you dream about it. Because when you're that disciplined to put all your energy in the one thing, there's no option but success. It took me 4 years to go from 0 to $1 million. No parties, no girls, no useless interactions, just 13-hour days behind a computer, and it was worth it. Because all the people who hated on us, the ones that said we wouldn't be shit, they'll be working their dead-end jobs for the next 50 years while I can do whatever I want. And that's what I want for you too. I want you to escape. No more bosses telling you what to do. No more asking permission to take a day off. No more missing precious time with your family. You do what you want when you want. And all it takes is a few years of putting your head down, a few years of hell, for an eternity of freedom. You're gonna fail at first. You're gonna lose money. You're gonna lose friends. But in the process, you'll become the best you've ever seen. You'll be smarter, fitter, richer. You'll be everything you've ever dreamed of. But that will only happen if you commit to the grind time. There's no shortcuts to this, my friend. It's you versus you. So start working towards your dream life today by watching this video where I show you the best business.
I might have to watch that one next. This is a good video. That's definitely how you start with nothing. So, hey, good video. Shout out Logan Ski Finance for making that. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, sign out.